Okay, so this is something that I didn't actually know, but do you know that in UiPath you can dynamically change values of your code, so of your implementation, to test some variations of your implementation? So for example, in here I have a test where I have two different tables. So I have one table that is here and one table that is here, and I need to check if the table exists in if like all of the groups. So there is 14 groups, if they all exist, and in this table they exist, in this table they don't exist. So how am I going to check this? I have a for each loop, and it's checking column Q, right? So column Q, because I'm not reading the headers, column Q. But in here, I want to read the data from a different table. So basically, I want to read from G to H. So I can G to H, and I'll leave this value in here. And during the runtime, I can basically go in here, change column Q to column H, and then see if like my other logic is going to work. So let's run the code and let me show you how that works. So this is probably an old update that I was not aware of and I didn't use often, but it's a really cool thing to use for testing purposes. So you will see that probably my bot is going to fail in here, right? And then what I can do is I can go in the expression editor. I can change this value from Q to H. So from Q to H, right? And I can save it. And then I can retry it. And then my bot is going to work, right? So now I know that groups 2 till 12 are missing, and I know that there is a problem. So yeah, something that I didn't know, really cool feature for UiPath. And after you stop your debug, the UiPath Studio is going to ask you like if you want to save the values or no. So in this case, I'll select no because I'm reading the other column P to Q. So yeah, really cool feature. So I'm going to select no, and yeah,